One of the new features in this version of Ouroboros that wasn't in the old version is dots. Let's check out how it works. So let's click on this line here and create an Ouroboros layer and then add some dots. So now every line gets, if I quickly trim the start and the end, you can see that every line gets a dot at the start and at the end. And the controls for those dots you can find here at the bottom of the Ouroboros effect. So you can see, for example, size, and this will control the size of the dot. And at 100%, this dot will be exactly the same size as the stroke, even if you have random stroke widths turned on, for example. Now, if you make this 50%, you can also get this effect. I actually want to change the caps to round caps, like this. Now, the next slider is the position of the dot. So at 0, the dot will be at the start, and at 100, the dot will go to the other end of the line. And then we have length. So with length, you can actually stretch the dot out, which can also create some cool effects. Now you can do the same with the end dot, of course, and you can also, if I remove these dots from the line, I can also use these two shortcuts that will only apply a dot to the start or to the end. Now, if you have a lot of strokes and you also have dots on the end, and you have some more strokes, it can become quite tricky to color all these. So if you apply a color module, you can easily control all the colors. So if I want to control the brown color, I can change it to green like this. And I can obviously also add more colors if I want to have more than 3 colors here. So I can add purple, for example. Now I can do this with any shape, so I can hold Shift and then click on circle and then search for size to make it a little smaller. And then create an Ouroboros layer, add some dots and also add a trim. And now I can really quickly get to some really cool looking effects. So that's a new feature of Ouroboros 2, and I'm really excited to see what people will make with this. You can find the download link for Ouroboros in the description and more tutorials on this channel. Please comment with any questions that you have, and I'll aim to answer them in one of the next videos. Take care.